Now dear students, today we are solving this actuarial science CV2 question paper. We will solving from question number 15 today. So when the country's unemployment level rises, it is likely that obviously operating inside the production possibility frontier. So this is the PPF, they are somewhere in this zone. Okay. Next is 16. The nominal GDP increased by 11% per year. The real GDP rose by 5%. Then the GDP deflator is nominal GDP. By real GDP is the GDP deflator. So 16 is the difference between the two. So 11 minus 5 is 6%. The aggregate demand curve may shift the right. So in this case, C, interest rate falls. This is the aggregate demand curve shifting to the right. So this actually falls. Next, the consumption function lies above 45-degree line. In that case, spending is greater than income. Next, go to 19. A decrease in the average wage will shift the short-run aggregate supply curve downward and leave the long-run aggregate supply curve unchanged. Now the government is a closed economy with no taxes. So in this case, multiplier effect we need to calculate. Multiplier is 1 by 1 minus MPC. M is marginal promissory consumption. Government wants to expand by 12 billion and marginal promissory is 0.667. So 1 by 1 minus 0.667. So this is 1.033. So this is only 3. This means that $1 increase is in the government, £1 increase will real GDP increase by 3 pounds. Okay. So here we go. And the GDP deflator calculation, delta G equal to 12 by 3, that is 4 is the answer. So 20 is B. 21, in the presence of the inflationary gap in the standard Keynesian model, an appropriate policy response would be obviously to reduce the government expenditure. Next, 22, the purchase of the treasury bill in the central bank will likely lead to a decrease in the interest rate. Money that held to take advantage of unforeseen events associated with the precautionary motive of the holding money, precautionary. Okay, next 24. Which of the following statement is correctly describe the impact of removing the tariff? So this is the consumers pay a lower price, producers receive a lower price, and the government loses tariff income. 25. A tariff imposes on the specific good, then what would be the benefit from imposition of the tariff? So this is the domestic producers of the good. And the last one is the Canadian dollars are cheaper than the Scotland in Toronto. A benefit from the purchase of sale foreign exchange of the Canadian dollar should be the purchase of Scotland and sold back to Toronto. Thank you. So if you have any more questions, so just text me to this number. Any exam, anything will help you to solve it.